Hi, my name is Catherine Cruz, and I will be walking you through the IEP process today. Parents and guardians of students with IEPs are partners in the IEP. They are important and valuable members of the team while we build the goals for the child. We will be asking guardians what they witness at home in the way of their child's behavior and how they react with others in the home. This is valuable information that can support the process. This can inform the child's educational team to make an initial referral. First, the child's primary education teacher or general education teacher will review the child's behavior and academic progress in class. This is the first indication that the teacher has based on the child's needs. If the teacher deems a need is necessary, they will reach out to the support team for a referral. A special education teacher, speech pathologist, occupational therapist, physical therapist, or psychologist will reach out depending on that need to establish the proper formal testing. The child's general education teacher will be asked to perform informal data collection based on what occurs in the classroom. This identification process is vital for the evaluation process to move forward. And before any formal testing is implemented, guardians need to be alerted and they need to provide their permission. And without their permission, no formal testing can continue. The assessments will be used to establish if a child has a disability. And if it is found that a child does have a disability, an IEP meeting can be established. Every person involved in the IEP has the right to be present at the meeting, and it is mandatory that a parent is involved or the guardian. During the process of the meeting, the IEP will be written together, and a facilitator will ensure that the process runs smoothly. Oftentimes, the facilitator is an administrator at the school. Included in the IEP are services that would be provided for the child, such as speech, counseling, physical therapy, occupational therapy, etc. Any social emotional, behavioral, or academic goals, any supports or differentiation in the class that the child needs, and as well as the child's strengths. It is important for educators to remember that sharing information with guardians needs to be manageable and easily understood. And it's also important to remember that this information is confidential and based on a need to know basis. Our job is to work with families and students to provide service for them to achieve their goals. As always, educators need to look at students in need of services as individuals. The process from referral to IEP meeting can be long, but it is imperative that we do it correctly for the benefit of the student. Each IEP will be different based on the child, so flexibility and knowledge and collaboration will be needed on behalf of all the support staff and the general education teacher. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to being part of this process in the future.